Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Check it out. This is a live shot down near the fairgrounds. You can see the late afternoon haze there across the hills as well, and the Ferris wheel in the background. This is a great looking shot after dark. I'll pop it up again at 11 o'clock for our KZI 9 News at 11 tonight. Looks really, really neat when they have all the lights out there. I'm kind of a sucker for the county fairs. They're really a lot of fun. So Cheap Trick playing tonight in just about an hour or so. So if you get a chance, get out there. It's going to be warm, though. Temperatures across the region still on the warm side. And in fact, you can see the storm tracker behind me there. We've got 90s across the board, sitting in the mid-90s, around 94 for the high today in Eugene. That's cooler. We were at 96 yesterday, but still well above where we should be this time of year. That is about 10 degrees. 84 is what our average high is for this time. So 78 in the Santiam Junction, 77 as you get over down towards Willamette Pass. Still sitting at around 93 in Bend, 98. Wow, down in Roseburg and the coast, much, much cooler. Temperatures in the 50s and low 60s most of the day. Now we've got a thunderstorm that we're tracking here that you can see. I had one try to fire up just outside of Crater Lake, moving across Highway 97. The other one here just outside of Christmas Valley. This one looks a little more organized. Keep our eye on that one as it tries to drift northward towards Brothers Hampton and moving across the Highway 20 interchange north of that. Red flag warnings are up and posted for most of central Oregon. So we will also watch the chance for any lightning strikes that may come out from that thunderstorm. So here's what we've got for the rest of the night tonight. We'll keep the temperatures in the mid-50s in Corvallis and Eugene. Right around 62 as you get down towards Roseburg. So a very sticky night for the folks in the Umpqua Basin again. And the morning fog will fill in along the coast. 94, as I mentioned, 10 degrees above where we should be this time of year. 55, so a warm start and a warm finish. And that is pretty much been the trend over the past, about 3 to 4 weeks. We've seen 4 days where we've hit 96 degrees this summer. We've already had 12 days of 90 and above, and our normal or average for this time of year throughout the entire summer is only 16. So I'm expecting probably more of this, although we will finally start to break some of that heat as we get into the weekend. Across the state, hot stuff too. 99 officially in Roseburg today, 105 in Medford, 101 in Ontario. Rome was at 99, same thing in Pendleton and the Dalles, and 90 finally up in Portland. They hit the 90-degree mark for the first time this week. So that ridge of high pressure in control for tonight and tomorrow, that's going to keep things hot, but again, a degree or two cooler, indicating we're starting to see a bit of a change. All courtesy of this area of low pressure and the jet stream slowly starting to flatten out just a bit as it does. We're expecting this cooler air to start spilling in. Right now, this is the approximate position of the low as it slides across both Saturday and Sunday. You can see it stays north of us, but it will be close enough that we'll start to pull in some of that cooler air, and that will really have a big impact on our temperatures as we head in towards the weekend. So more 90s for Friday, hot tonight as well, turning to just kind of an uncomfortably warm overnight. 80s finally arrive as we head to Saturday afternoon. And then cooler Sunday and into next week, too. We'll kind of keep that cooler trend with the morning clouds and afternoon sun and low 80s. I'll show you in the 7 to 8 seconds. It's going to look very, very nice. So a little breezy along the coast again tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies. We'll see the temperatures there right around 62 to 65 degrees or so. Cooler going into the weekend, and then a slight chance for some light drizzle on Sunday night and Monday, but no rain chances coming in the forecast. 91 in Elkton tomorrow, warm again. Roseburg down to Myrtle Creek will be in the mid-90s, and then chopping back into the upper 80s by Saturday. Much cooler as we get towards Sunday and Monday. With the morning clouds back, that'll keep us in the mid-80s. In the Cascades, sunny and warm again. I don't think we'll see a lot of thunderstorms flaring up, but we'll keep our eye for any rogue ones out there. In Bend and Redmond, sunny and hot. Red flag warnings will extend through Friday and Saturday's forecast. But Saturday into Sunday, we start to bring in some of that cooler air, which will have more moisture in it, which is always helpful for those very hot, dry conditions with the low relative humidities. And in the valley, we'll see temperatures around 90 to 93 degrees tomorrow, mid-80s on Saturday, then Sunday in through next week, guys. I mean, that's just, I'm not going to know what to do. The temperature's 81 degrees.
I'm sure you'll figure out something.
Sweltering. The pooch has not been enjoying it, so
yeah.
She will be happy.
I hope we can get a little bit of humidity around here, especially in Central Oregon, help with the wildfire fighting. Yeah,
and I think it will, but it's going to be at least another day where they're going to see hot, dry conditions. Relative humidities there are about 10% or less. Not good.
Not good. Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Well, this